Today we'll be installing this $54 rock light set that I got from AliExpress, and we'll find out whether they're worth it or worthless. So this is the front left wheel, up in the wheel arch there. Rear side of the front left wheel, just on the chassis. Moving under the car, got one here and one there. Then in the rear we got one mounted just there on an angle, and one there. It's basically mirrored identically on this side. The only issue is this one here in the rear right isn't wired up at the moment. The cord wasn't quite long enough. But again, near the shock tower, just there, have the two on the driver's side, and then that's the driver's side front, and then ever so slightly different location for the front of the driver's side front. And there we go, the AliExpress rock lights. On the whole, I think that looks fantastic. And I think there's good illumination as well, minimal shadows. Yeah, I'm actually stoked with that. Obviously we'll see how they go long term, and right now they're just 3M mounting tape in place because I didn't want to drill any holes and then find out they're pretty garbage. But I think they might make a permanent fixture, because to me they look fantastic. I'm thrilled. And for what, $50 odd? I can't complain about that. So far, initial impressions, the AliExpress rock lights are absolutely worth it.